Hey, Sammy. Hiya.
Hiya.
And what we have today to open, Sammy? Kinder Surprise 3 eggs again. Moshi Monsters egg, yeah?
Yeah.
We're looking for some more
Open
Monsters University guys, yeah? This is our collection for now. And we're going to find another one today, yes?
Today.
Yes, today, Sammy. Say today.
Today.
Hey, how many eggs we have, Sammy?
3.
3?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, yes?
Yeah. Can open Mickey Mouse?
Yes, open it. And oh, and straight away we have the guy. Cool.
Cool. Cool.
You see, that's the flyer again.
Color.
And we have a guy like that.
Yes.
We are happy because we didn't have it. That's the guy. His name is Art. And he looks kind of Archie.
Archie.
Yes. Sammy, say Art.
Out.
Yeah, cool. That's the fourth guy we have from Monsters University.
Titi.
Go, Sammy, go!
Go, go, go.
Yeah. Well, we lucky again. A car. Yes, that's the flyer. Yeah?
Fire.
Yes, that's the flyer of car.
Power.
And we have a green car. Yes?
See.
That's the car. Let's put this car together. Okay. Here we have some parts. We put one part of well is here.
Mouse cows.
And then we put this.
Mickey Mouse cows key. Oh, yeah, cute.
And this goes here. Sammy, you are excited, yes?
Yes.
And we have a small green car.
Cow.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. I'll show you how it works. Whoa! Wow! It's fast. This car is fast. Sammy, catch it. Haha. And
Meow.
what? Animal.
Meow.
An animal, yeah? Oh, okay. We have a flyer. That's the collection. And we have a little penguin.
Kicking.
Penguin, Sammy?
Yeah.
Say penguin.
Kicking.
Okay. Yeah, that's one. Sammy? Say penguin.
Kicking.
What we opening now?
Moshi.
Moshi, yes. Moshi Monsters. Yeah. Oh, yes, that's totally new. Wow! Okay, we have some rocks, of course. We have some stickers.
Stickers.
Yes, with Unicode you can use it. And we have a cool Moshi monster. Never had this before, so we are happy again. Yes, Sammy? So that's our new Moshi monster singer. Help me with the name again, please. Well, Sammy's playing with stickers. Yeah. So let's check again what we what we got today. From Kinder Surprise Monsters University, we have this guy today, Art, and we have 4 guys from the collection. There are 9, I think, so we'll be trying to get more. And from Moshi Monsters, we have this cool guy. Okay? And I think that would be it for today. Stay in touch. Please subscribe and bye bye.
Bye bye. Chia. Ade ade.
Ade ade?
Da.
Watch in HD, yeah? That's what you wanted to say?
Yeah. Ade ade. Ade.
Yeah.